Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can add a new filter over here. This view is basically a pivot report of invoice analysis. Invoice analysis has the model of account invoice report and invoice analysis getting the data from the account move, which is a model of general entries. So to add a filter with the new field, I have to add that field in both model, in account invoice report and account move. So let's go and check the code. Here you can see in account move I have added referral partner id, which is a relational field with the res partner. Added the same field in the account invoice report and overriding a method which is underscore select. This method is basically adding the query to get the data from the account move, and that to override that method I have just added my code so we can get the data with the new custom field, which is referral partner id. That is the Python side. Let's go and check the XML side. Here in this code you can see I have inherited the account move from view and added that field to select the data from the database. And let's uncomment this code. This code is basically adding the filter in the account invoice report. Let's save this code and restart the server and refresh here. Here you can see a referral filter is added. So when you click on this, the data is presented based on this filter. So that's how you can add a new custom filter based on new custom field in the pivot report. Thank you so much for watching.